Today we're going to be playing Dress to Impress. I don't know. These, I have like this little sister and she plays these games. Okay, let's Slay Lana! Slay so sisters. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, guys, this is a voice video. Yes. Before, when I was like in this game, like last time I was playing this game, there was actually like a hacker in it. They were changing faces. Oh, might be an admin. We don't know. We would ever know that, by the way. Don't worry, that's my mom's. Ooh, oh. Dirty mind, dirty mind. Okay, what? Favorite item? Barbie dolls? Yeah, let's do Barbie dolls. Ooh. Oh, I nearly had enough. Lily. Oh, I forgot that hack. By the way, guys, there's like this hack, but I'm gonna use these shoes first. Put on. I'm gonna be using these items for the main. Did you know actually these items that I'm wearing are actually cost money? Before when I started, I actually thought that these items, all of those items like cost Robux. Well, maybe it did cost Robux. I haven't been like on this game for a while because I'm being sick. But I just recovered. You could also use that items to do this, but I'm just gonna pick this. Favorite item. I'm getting away with the beep. Hold on. Sephora could be like, oh, my outfit looks so adorable. I would not be your doubt. Should I do the Sephora Kid one? Yeah, I'm gonna do the Sephora Kid bag. No one would know. No one would know. Oh, wait. Oh, we need makeup. When I normally think of Barbie, I go with this makeup because, and then I don't know what Barbie dolls I'm using, but I've seen Barbie dolls like this. So don't mind that, by the way. I can't get rid of it. Jump! Oh, guys, did you know if we actually stay in here, you see that timer up there? And when it hits 0, I tried it before, you actually get jumped up like this. Because you're trying. Okay. In your eye. By the way, if you didn't know, that one's kitty quesos. I'm kitty cat. I love kitty cats and dogs. I actually have my own dog. It's named Pippa. If you play in the Brats, you already got that. You probably already heard that. Fashion, that one is capital. Everything's capital. Lana Bob. Oh, I forgot to do the Lana. I'm pretty sure this one's out of date. Pretty sure it's Saturday. Oh no, it isn't. By the way, guys, I've finished my fit. I should have used that, but anyway, we should get rid of that bow and use the Lana bow code for that one. Put that bow on. We didn't need that bow anyways. Should we use the bag? Yeah, we should use the bag. And yes, these are sweet. Let's tie it. Let me know if I spelled Bobby wrong. Oops, sorry guys. There we go. So, I keep using. Sorry guys. Let's write it again. A Barbie doll. Barbie doll. Barbie doll. Hold on, guys. Ooh, have I been nice? I just left. Sorry, guys. I'm very sorry. I'll be your judge. I do this. Is that better? Is that better, guys? Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Is it me yet? I just want to. Oh, wait, I forgot the phone. 4 because the join light. Actually 4. 4. For effort. Definitely effort. Oh, is it a black cat? No, it isn't good enough. It has too much black, so wait. Go away, fly. There's like this fly that keeps annoying me. Cupcake in the school. Ah, a strawberry. I thought that was Mrs. Rabbit. Mrs. Rabbit has fainted. Mrs. Rabbit has fainted again. Mrs. Rabbit has fainted again. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top. Sun-kissed hot summer, sing up the popsicle. Oh, don't. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. California girls, unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top. Sun-kissed hot summer, messy popsicle. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top. Sun-kissed hot summer, you messy popsicle.